welcome back to my channel. I would like to say that I feel amazing right now, but I don't. As you can tell, I am sick. I don't get sick, which is like why I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm sick. I was gonna wake up this morning and say, you know what, I'm on the last stretch of my sickness, but in full honesty, I think I've gotten worse. And this could be really annoying for you guys. And in the end, I need to get out of a slump and I need to vlog today because I have things to do that I have not been doing because of my illness. And I'm just gonna be doing everything I possibly can to like not make myself feel gross without overdoing myself and just getting out of this disgusting phase of my life. Like, you should see my room. I think getting my life together will help me not die again, even though I'm dying right now, but I'm starting off by drinking my Bloom Greens this morning. They're so good. This is in the flavor strawberry kiwi. I'll have these linked down below. Honestly, they've been making me feel so good and just a great healthy start to my day. Girl, to die for. Even my cat Cora agrees with me that they are so good. Gives me that energy boost, helps my gut, reduces bloating. You already know. Hi. Oh my gosh, I love you. I just love you so much. I decided to get ready this morning because honestly, she just needed to make herself feel not gross. And getting ready always makes me feel better. Don't know why I just referred to myself in the third person, but you know, ultimately it was so I could get stuff done. Starting with cleaning my disgusting room. Just wait till you see it. Yeah. Not cute. Yep. So we're gonna get to cleaning. Let's get started. This like little natural energy drink. I really just want to lay back down, but no, we're not. Sorry, I thought there was a sneeze coming on right there. I've never had a sneeze like that in my life. Shut up, Ava. I'm not feeling the best, but we're gonna push through and just really get what I need to get done because I've been putting this off for too long. So many, wait for it. Dang cups in my room. I'll be back and putting these downstairs. What are you needing? This is what we're tackling next. Alexa, what's the weather out? Are so precious. Okay, so as I was cleaning my room, I just found a bunch of new bikinis that I made a haul on TikTok about, but I wanted to show you guys. They're all from Triangle. Go follow my TikTok if you don't already, but here is the first bikini. It's just a super cute blue, like terry cloth one, and here's the top. And then I have this one, another tie bottom, and then a strapless top. I love, love, love this pattern. Something about it was just calling my name. I adore it. Then I have this pink one. This is by far gotta be my favorite. I seriously love this crochet pattern and this style, except I think the top is a little bit too small. I might have to return it for a medium. Here's the top. So dang cute. And then the last one is probably one of my favorites. This green color is so pretty and it's also in this terry cloth material. And again with the tie bottoms. So cute. But yeah, I just thought I would show you a little haul. I love Triangle and I cannot wait to wear these this summer and this spring break. I still feel gross, but I'm almost done cleaning my room, which feels really good. Then I think I'm gonna go on a walk with my mom, just get my body moving because I haven't worked out in like 3 days because you know why. And then tomorrow I want to go to Pilates. I might make this vlog 2 days just because why not? And I just need to get myself back at it if I feel well enough tomorrow because I love Pilates. It's low impact. It's so toning and good. this point, it was getting later into my day and I just felt like I needed a total refresh. One being my hair, because it was like day 3 hair. So I decided I was gonna curl it, and I used a different curling wand than I normally do. So I was a little bit skeptical about how it was gonna turn out, but I think it turned out good in the end. I just curled my hair a little bit differently. I've never curled it like with this small of a barrel. So it's a little bit tighter and I think it's kind of fun. Also being fresh. It feels really nice to just have a clean floor again. I have to leave in 10 minutes. I always do this to myself, but good morning and welcome back to a new day. I'm gonna make today a good day because I feel so much better. Like, it's insane. I knew I was gonna feel better today because I went to bed feeling really good. That's amazing. But I went to bed feeling really good because I had tea. Not waking up good though because I just spilled makeup on my new PJs. Actually, I've had worse, let's be so real. I'm going to a Pilates class this morning alone, and I'm honestly kind of nervous because I normally just go with my mom, but I'm excited. I always leave Pilates feeling really, really good. Okay, but real talk, I need to hurry up because again, I have to leave in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking out everywhere. I don't really know what's going on. Time check, it's 7:30 and the class is at 8:10. It's like a 20-minute drive, but I want to be there 10 minutes early. I'm at Ava's mom's coffee shop because I missed my Pilates class. Now 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've honestly had such a productive day. I've gone on 2 walks and I did a 20-minute Peloton ride. Oh, so here come the running cats. It's not for you. Chicken juice, chicken juice, chicken juice.